TTADC hafangni loaji jangma bai khomolongne khompoi grawono yasak jaka filter se bishi Bharat Hakotor yogmanishal asolo Bharat Hakotor ni banati shaka TTADC ni CEM Ronald Debarma avuni yagulo nukhungkri malkhung kasawi asal ne panda berawinaika TTADC ni CEM Ronald Debarma
71 Battalion CRPF ono lam sogana selot kremani bisingtei
na phak di hon na har do
sing jotonong basalayana audience shall we all raise up sing jotonong basanan bagi ko jaw
na mare tolano
Hakotor gnangoino balaizago Hakotor yogmanishal haikeba Independence Day abo haikeno TTAADC hafangni loaji jagma baibo balaizaka Independence Day kotor panda khlaizaka khomolne khombai grawono Hakotor ni banati shawai filter si Hakotor fyog jagmanishal balaizaka avuni yagulono nukhongkrai malkhongka sawai TTAADC ni CEM Ronald Debarma pandano berawinaika asalo police DSR te NCC no khoboi te kuvan bodol robo parade participate khlaileka
Ashitomo
radra
Bharat Hakotor yok samaj salmani ani jotto khazani takukte mukukrongno khakaham te hamjam yafaro happy 88th Independence Day Wilano respected dignitaries, distinguished guests, my fellow citizens, respected elders, mothers and sisters, and my dear young friends. Dini singjoto shivo Bharat Hakotor ni yok samasal osal joto amchayo joto state joto institution no palizako omni ongo hisabe no dini singsini khumulung headquarter TTADC and station by o Independence Day ni salno sing pali leitong Omono sing o pandani bisingte joto freedom fighters tokno khulumung yaparo je singno yok samas halno runa bagai choba khlaine joto national heroes no khulumung yaparo omoni logi joto sini ancestral heroes our visionary kings and the brave sons and daughters of this soil. Jechoba, Kainai, Sini dignity, rights, and lands of indigenous Tiprasa people through generation. Romui, Jesini Bagi, Lorai Klai Tongnai, Choba Klai Tongnai, Romubo, Osalo, and Jotono, Kulumunya Faro. Dini Norok Joto Shivo, Norni Buskanga, and Kutal CM Hisabitini. Omono Willa Independence Day celebrate Kaitani Angoro Chief Guest in Manjak Payo. Omono Tini Independence Day Nipisinde Okogno Sanamusungo Je responsibility Ang Manmani or responsibility no Ang Kubui Ke Klainai Omono Sumai Ani Norok ni Hamkrai ni Bagai Sumai tangnai ang joto buma bufa munai anse okra chakra sikla sikli an sakjalai te joto kamini tongnai lukurokno hamjamung yafaro sini identity no sini fan sini rich culture tai vibrant tradition sini language no sini Tiprasani foundation omobaino sini tinang senam jagnai. As we step into a fast changing world, I promise you this, we will progress, but never at the cost of our roots. We will build better opportunities for our youths, but we will do so while protecting our land, preserving our heritage, and honoring the legacy left behind our forefathers, such as the visionary Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur. Our children must learn the advanced modern technology with one hand while holding onto their rich cultural pride with the other. We must be honest with one another. The TTADC functions well-known constraints, be it financial, administrative, and constitutional limitations. Yet, I refuse to let limits become excuses. Within the scope of our current capacity, your council has already set to work in various critical sectors like education, entrepreneurship, and women empowerment. However, keeping things running is not enough. We need transformation. In the coming days, our administration will introduce sweeping institutional reforms. We will bring transparency and accountability to every department. We will streamline governance, eliminate corruption, strengthen our village councils, and ensure that every rupee allotted for the development reaches the intended beneficiary without leakages. Development cannot sprout in the soil of division. Peace is the absolute prerequisite for progress. Tripura's strength has always been its rich tapestry of diverse tribes and communities living side by side. I make a passionate appeal to every citizen today. We must safeguard our unity and brotherhood at all costs. Let no political or divisive force tear apart the harmony among our people. When a road is built, it serves everyone. When a hospital is upgraded, it saves everyone's life without asking for the tribe or community. Our struggle for dignity and development is a collective one, and we will win it only when we stand united shoulder to shoulder. My dear brothers and sisters, what is the true essence of independence? Independence is not merely a date on the calendar. It is not just speeches delivered from high stages once a year. True freedom is achieved when a mother in the most remote villages has access to clean drinking water and medical care. A farmer gets a fair price for his hard work without exploitation. A young boy or girl from a poor family gets a fair shot at a bright career. Every citizen lives with dignity, safety, and self-respect on their own land. Until the essence of freedom reaches every single home, every family, and every citizen of our district area, our journey remains incomplete. My administration ultimate mandate is to bring this gap to our respected elders. Guide us with your wisdom. To our mothers and sisters, strengthen us with your resilience. And to my young friends, our next generation, the future architects of our land, gives us your energy, your ideas, and your dedication. Do not just wait for change. Join us in building it. Let us resolve today to work tirelessly with pure intentions to build a self-reliant, prosperous, and cultural vibrant TTADC. Mamana tinini o indigenous deni ani speech paithak phasing no phaisok pakya Omna taibisha je tini o Independence Day ni salo je sini khumbu school ndi joto school ni students je participate khane rang pipeline hambaite hamjung ya faro nong ni future ni bagai angnong no khaka ham ya faro nong ni future bright tu ta haikeno sini ti plaza am sini joto lukurang no bang ini no salo khaka ham te hamjung ya faro thanchama tongnai sin thanchana sini pan thanchana ti plaza ni pan thanchani bisingki ni sini mantai shoktai sin buskang salo manai long live the spirit of independence. Long live our cultural legacy. Long live Thancha. Long live the Prasadopa. Jai Hind, Bande Matram.
Asalo juda juda rungokni rungsrangnai rokrawono khlaika performance borokni performance ni bishingtei funungsaka hakotorna fyokjaknani bagai langmar hnai rono borom romani
raja baka yo yo samite kangama mitari na jadu sama
abo haikeno pandawo koksanani thangai TTAADC ni CEM Ronaldo Burma puila hasini joto lukurogno hakotor fyok jakmani shalno teiwei khaka hamte jibaya farka avuni yagulono borokni samungho mono teiwei koksaka TTAADC ni CEM Ronaldo Burma asale pandawo TTAADC ni CEM Ronaldo Burma no karebo mansaka TTAADC ni kacham CEM MDC Purnachandra Zamatia MDC Robindra Dev Burma MDC Rajeshwar Dev Burma MDC Prasmit Dev Burma MDC Jiten Dev Burma TTAADC ni CEO MLA MDC Rogno Khowei de Gufun Adongro Avoni Yagolona Ashalo participate student they Naimathang Bahir ni Rogno Yafarza ka Shokat Komulang Nismi Boyer Day Probirne Koktum Cheni Khora